Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best 360 cameras on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is GoPro Max. GoPro's second generation 360-degree action camera, the Max, is a lot friendlier to use than its first effort, the Fusion. You don't have to fiddle with dual memory cards, the software tools to work with 360 footage are a lot better now, and the camera has a touch screen so you can more easily adjust settings. It costs a bit more than the GoPro Hero 8 Black, an item that's a better fit for most action videographers, but is worth a look if you're all in on 360-degree capture and editing. The Max takes its basic design cues from the Fusion. It has the same matte gray finish with a rubberized exterior, built to withstand drops and go underwater without the need for an external housing. But it's smaller all around, and adds a color touch screen so you can preview the frame from either of its lenses, and adjust settings via touch. Pros: 360-degree capture. Also works as a single lens camera. Intuitive software tools. Strong stabilization. Good in-camera audio. Waterproof without a case. Integrated mounting clips. Cons: effective resolution is really 1080p. Single lens capture tops out at 60 frames per second. Requires more editing time to get the best results from spherical footage. Number 2. Our second best pick is Insta360 One RS. The Insta360 One RS is the company's second generation modular action camera, a follow-up to the One R from 2020. The RS keeps the same external design, but features more internal processing power and works with better camera modules. We're not totally sold on its assembly requiring modular design, but it's an appealing GoPro alternative, especially for creators who want to use both 16:9 and 360-degree footage for projects. The One RS requires some assembly, but it's not an IKEA-level project. The camera is split into 3 pieces: the RS core, the camera module, and a baseplate that secures them. After assembly, the One RS is similar in size and shape to other action cams, about 1.9 by 2.8 by 1.3 inches, HWD, and 4.4 ounces. For comparison, the GoPro Hero 10 Black measures 2.8 by 2.2 by 1.3 inches and weighs 5.4 ounces. Pros: compact design. Swappable lens modules. Waterproof to 16 feet. Stabilized 4K 60 and 5.7K 360 video. HDR available at 4K 30. 235 widescreen mode. Mobile and desktop app support. Cons: in-camera mics disappoint outdoors. Modular design can get in the way. Small touch LCD. Battery only good for 75 minutes of 4K. Heat can limit long-form recordings. Number 3. Our third best pick is Insta360 X3. Insta360 built its brand on dual-lens cameras, and creators who have stuck with the format have been well served by its one series of cameras. While its model name is a little shorter, the X3 follows the One X2 and its concept is the same. The X3's dual lenses capture everything around the camera, and a waterproof design makes it ready for adventures. Editing whizzes can do a lot with 360 footage, particularly with the included software, and HDR processing is a boon for picture quality in mixed light. The Insta360 X3 is smartly built, with a big touch screen and waterproof construction. Dual lenses aside, there's not much flash to the design. The X3's touch composite exterior is in 2 tones of dark gray, in a candy bar form factor that's both easy to handhold and lets the camera stand up straight on its own. Pros: 5.7K 30 HDR video. Slim, waterproof build. Big touch screen with straightforward interface. Robust desktop and mobile editing tools. Loads of capture modes. Cons. Video must be processed before editing. A bit of a learning curve to grasp 360-degree editing. Mobile editing apps limit resolution. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is RICOH THETA Z1. If you're looking for an easy way to capture amazing 360 degrees photos and videos, then you need the RICOH THETA Z1 51GB black 360 degrees camera. This camera is packed with features that make it easy to get great results, whether you're a beginner or a pro. With its large sensor and fast lens, the Theta Z1 is able to capture stunningly detailed images and videos. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can easily share your creations with the world. 51 GB of internal memory allows for approximately 6,350 JPEG still images, 900 RAW plus still images and 110 minutes for 4K video to be captured. Two 1-inch type back illuminated CMOS sensors and a newly developed lens unit suppress ghosting, flare and fringing to capture the highest image quality in a Theta series camera. Natural 360 degrees images can be captured at 23MP resolution, taking advantage of a high-precision stitching process. Enhanced HDR image processing easily captures varying brightness levels such as interior and exterior scenes such as real estate. These images can be easily incorporated into virtual tours. Impressive 4K 360 degrees video capture with smooth image stabilization and immersive sound via the 4-channel microphone. Pros. The camera is very easy to use. It produces high-quality images and videos. The camera is very compact and lightweight. It has a built-in flash. The camera is water-resistant. Cons. The camera is quite expensive. It has a limited storage capacity. The battery life could be better. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is RICOH THETA SC2. The RICOH THETA SC2 is a high-quality 360-degree camera that is perfect for capturing all of life's special moments. With its dual fisheye lenses, the Theta SC2 allows you to shoot full HD video and stills in 360 degrees, giving you a complete view of your surroundings. The camera is also equipped with RICOH's unique spherical audio technology, which allows you to capture natural-sounding audio to accompany your video footage. With its easy-to-use controls and compact design, the Theta SC2 is the perfect way to immortalize your memories in stunning 360-degree detail. The Theta SC2 is capable of recording 4K video, thanks to the high-speed interface-compatible image sensor. The camera is equipped with a shake correction function and features up to 3 minutes of recording. The 1-inch type imaging sensor provides high sensitivity shooting with low noise. Faces are detected and centered in the image. Exposure compensation and noise reduction brightens faces for beautiful-looking skin. If the detected face is in a high location, slant top/bottom correction is sacrificed to bring the face to the center of the screen. Night View Shooting preset lets you capture low-noise shots, and is intended for use with a tripod. This preset independently controls the AE and AWB for the front and rear camera in scenes with extreme differences in contrast. Pros. Small and lightweight. 4K video. Waterproof. Live streaming. Dual lens. Cons. Limited manual controls. Low light performance. Battery life. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.